ASICS strengthens its presence in the comfort era by leaning on the established success of the GEL-Kayano 14, a silhouette that continues to thrive as both a performance and lifestyle staple. Once hard to secure, it is now more widely available as the brand strategically shifts focus to newer models such as the Gel Nimbus 10.1 and Gel Cumulus 16, proving the Kayano 14 can sustain demand on its own. The upcoming Obsidian Gray edition highlights this strength, featuring a versatile mesh base accented with silver, off-white, and deep gray overlays, with subtle champagne hues adding a refined touch at the heel. Its midsole mixes white and cement gray, creating an understated yet stylish look suitable for everyday wear. Priced at $150 and launching September 1st via Finish Line and JD Sports, the release reaffirms the Kayano 14's dependable position within ASIC's growing comfort-driven lineup.